Usually, when we think of organic, the first thing that comes to mind is grown. We usually hear about that in the grocery store. Is it organic or is it not? Well, usually in a grocery store, we're trying to say that organically grown means that it does not have any pesticides, things to kill the bugs, herbicides, things to kill the weeds. That's what they usually refer to that. But in chemistry, anything that is organic generally has a particular element in it. It is old number 6 on the periodic table. Hopefully, you know who I'm talking about. Old number 6 is our nuclear charge. All right, well, our first item right here, brake parts cleaner, high vapor pressure, has carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. If you said, yes, this is organic, you are correct. Why? Because one of those three elements is the reason why. Moving on, our next one right here, again, same elements, different scramble, different structural formula. Because of that, and because of the properties that it exhibits, it also has a high vapor pressure. It is flammable. It is considered to be organic. If you picked motorcycle oil being organic, you are correct as well. So far we're 3 for 3. It does have that element sitting in there in the pile of elements listed. Now it only needs one particular element. If you look on reference table P, you'll know what element I'm discussing. So it turns out that motorcycle lube, whether it be synthetic or conventional oil, is all organic. A paper napkin is definitely, usually paper we think of comes from trees, something that was once grown, but the real reason is the element that after you burn this paper, you'll see the element that remains behind. And hopefully you know what element I'm getting at. Our next one right here, the same element is present in here. So yes, this is also organic. Moving on to the other side, over here, this is an ionic compound. It is not an organic compound. It has to do with the bond type and the element that is present. Over here, yes, the Irish whiskey would be organic. Yes, the cornstarch would be organic. Yes, the molasses is organic. Yes, the Dawn is organic because of an element that is present. Hopefully you can see what element I'm referring to. Candle wax, yes, organic. And last but not least, silver for the watch, not organic. So we had a grand total of 2 items on this entire bench that were not organic. All the rest were.